Welcome to Surfin'. Today we're going to patina a piece of steel with a nice coffee brown to oil rub bronze finish by using a product called antique bronze. This process requires some tools such as paintbrushes, spray bottles with water, and a cleaning solution called Brush and Clean. We begin by cleaning our steel surface. If you're using cold rolled steel that's rusted, or if you're using hot rolled steel, we recommend first sanding the surface. If using new cold rolled steel, or if your sanding is complete, go ahead and apply the Brush and Clean to the steel surface and scrub in a circular motion. Keep your eye out for any areas which may need additional cleaning. Once the part is cleaned, go ahead and use paper towels to absorb the cleaner off the metal surface. Follow up with a thorough rinsing with water. For large parts, you can use a hose, spray bottles, or even a dedicated paint gun filled with water. As a last step prior to applying the patina, go ahead and dry the surface with paper towels or washcloths. Now that we're all ready, go ahead and brush the antique bronze solution onto the steel with a swabbing motion. Use the brush to create a mottled effect of different shades of coppery red, maroon, and brown. Just like the cleaning stage, pay attention to any edges or corners which may need more solution. The more you apply the product, the darker the finish gets. If you want to keep the current finish, you would need to rinse with water, dry with a towel, and seal. But if you want to deepen the finish into a deep dark brown, proceed to rinse the surface without drying. By letting the surface be wet and slowly dry, you develop a yellow rust. This rust can be removed with a washcloth or sponge, revealing a much deeper brown underneath. Here we have applied the Acrylac 1045 flat sealer as a final step. The resultant finish is a deep oil rub bronze on steel. For more information, check out surfinchemical.com.